Welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix emo verification code not received problem. So guys, if you cannot get or if you cannot receive a verification code from emo, then what should you do? In this video I will show you that, and I will solve you this problem. So for that you need to open on your phone settings. So there you can see this is my phone settings. I just open it, and now you need to scroll down, and after that you can see option apps. Just open it, and now you need to go manage apps, and now you need to find out emo from here. I just directly go on search bar and type emo. So I just open this apps, and now what should you do? You just need to go on permission, and you need to allow everything on emo. Like that, you need to allow everything on your here. You need to allow everything. After that you can solve your verification code not received problem. And if you try to get a verification code, then you can get your verification code and you can receive your verification code on emo, and in this way you can solve your problem. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.